upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. So if you are looking for that, you found it, so you should subscribe. Okay, become one of my little doll babies. If you're already subscribed, then hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. I don't really know what. Okay, so today we have a Amazon wig haul, and these are all wigs that are under $20. So let's just get started. I have like a little chair here to put stuff on, but Kit Kat's on it, so I can't. I'll show you Kit Kat real quick. Kit Kat. Oh, hi, Kit Kat. So Kit Kat is not allowing me to use my chair, so I have to bend down. Okay, the first one I have is from, this is another one from Lidl. I got a Lidl wig from my last Amazon haul, which was like 25 and under. And it's style number 155, and the color is 27E. A full cap wig. That's a pretty color. So I'm interested to see how that would look. And that one was $19.99. Here's the next one. The next one came with the wig cap. I love when stuff comes with wig caps. I got it for $18.99. It doesn't have the company name right there, but this is what it looks like. Oh, I remember ordering this one. So pretty. I love the colors. So I got that one. Okay, the next one is also, it's $19.99. And it's from a company called Rosa Star. I think it's Rosa Star. Comes in a bag like this. Wig cap. And the color is 30/613. The color is super pretty. I'm curious to see how this looks. These short ones always look weird coming out of the package, but they always look so cute on. The next one actually came in a box, which I've never really seen. And this one says it's 22 inches. The color is 3330. Oh, and it's from a company called Offland. I got it for $18.99. Wig cap. Ooh, very auburny. It's got a slight floral scent, which I'm not crazy about because I'm a migraine sufferer, but I mean, it could be a worse scent. And this isn't a wig, but I did get these. These are those silicone wig grips. I'll do a video on these. It came with a bunch of wig caps in these silicone wig grips, so I'm interested to see what these are like. I got 12 pieces, so that includes the, I want to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 4 wig grips and a bunch of wig caps. 12 pieces, and it says $11.99. So I'm interested in this. If you've used a silicone wig grip, let me know. This next one is from Hair Cube. I've gotten wigs from them before, and I got this one just for $9.90. Wig cap. It just says ombre black to brown. It's not black. Ooh, I have reviewed one similar to this. Probably the same exact one, but just a different color. And I really enjoyed it. It was like an ashy brown to blonde. And these are $10. $10. Okay, last but not least, this says Hair Cube brown to blonde. This is a similar one, and this is also $9.90. Okay, so these are like the ones I got in my last Amazon haul, but those were not, they didn't have bangs. So they were just like a machine made, and without the bangs, you can't really make them work. So I got one in the same color, which is, it says brown to blonde, but it's like an ashy brown to an ashy pink. So I cannot wait to try this one because the one that I got did not have the bangs, and I was really disappointed. So exciting. That is what I have for you in terms of the under $20 wig haul from Amazon. If there's any of these wigs you would like to see me review sooner rather than later, put that down below. If you enjoy these hauls, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.